Want to use Dola AI Like a Pro? Yeah. Whether it's writing, research, or productivity, mastering Dola AI can save you hours every day. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to get the most out of Dola AI. Start by keeping your chats and projects organized. Rename important conversations, pin key chats, and use categories or folders if available. A clean workspace makes everything faster and easier to manage. Explore Dola AI's bots for writing, research, scheduling, and more. Add the bots that fit your workflow and experiment with them. This is where the real power comes in. To get the best results, give Dola AI detailed prompts. Include the task, format, style, and length. Clear instructions help the AI understand exactly what you want. Save time by automating tasks. Some reuse prompts, create templates, and schedule recurring workflows. Automation reduces repetitive work and speeds up productivity. Always review AI outputs, make edits, and refine your prompts. This helps you get consistently high-quality results and improves your workflow over time. And that's it. Organize your workspace, discover AI bots, write clear prompts, automate repetitive tasks, and refine your outputs. Mastering Dola AI takes practice, but these steps will make you a pro in no time.